Welcome to all in this class. So today's we have question by double dash plus by equal to x into sin x. Solve by using the variation of parameter method. So solution, given equation can be written as t square plus 1 into y equal to x sin x. So auxiliary equation will be m square plus 1 equal to 0. This gives m equal to plus minus I. So we observe that this nature of root is alpha plus minus I beta type. So CF is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. So now let us consider u equal to cos x and b equal to sin x. So on differentiating u with respect to x and we get u1 equal to minus sin x, and on differentiating b with respect to x, so we get equal to b1 equal to cos x. Next, according to our method, we have Wronskian is equal to determinant of ub u1 v1. So putting the value of ub and u1 v1, we have w equal to determinant cos x, sin x, minus sin x and cos x. So on expanding this determinant, we get w equal to cos square x plus sin square x, and we know that cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So finally we get Wronskian w equal to 1 and this is not equal to 0. So we observe that u and v are linearly independent. So our method is applicable now. So next we have particular integral is given by pi equal to ufx plus bgx, where fx is equal to minus integral vr upon w into dx and gx equal to integral ur upon w dx. So putting the value of vr and w, fx becomes fx equal to minus integral sin x into x sin x on 1 into dx, or it will be minus integral x into sin square x dx. But we know that cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x and sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So substitute the value of sin square in this integral. This integral becomes x equal to minus integral x into 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 dx. So next we fx equal to, on dividing separately, fx equal to minus 1 by 2 integral x into dx plus 1 by 2 x into cos 2x. So consider x as first function and cos 2x as second function. So by using the product formula of integration, we have the second integral becomes fx equal to minus 1 upon 4 x square. First integral is x, so this value becomes x square upon 2 and minus 1 by 2 already exists here. So this will be, it will be minus 1 upon 4 into x square plus 1 by 2 integral x into cos 2x becomes first function x and integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2 minus integration sin 2x upon 2 into dx, and differentiation of x is also 1. So we have next step as fx equal to minus 1 upon 4 x square plus 1 upon 4 x into sin 2x and cos 2x upon 8 and equal to integral ur upon w dx. So putting the value of u, r and w, then this integral becomes integral cos x into x and x dx on multiply 2 and divide by 2 also this integral. So 2 upon 2 and we can write as 1 upon 2 integral x into 2 sin x into cos x into dx. So we can substitute the value of 2 sin x cos x as sin 2x. So this term becomes sin 2x, and now by using the product formula of integration we have as in first function as x and second function as sin 2x. So gx equal to 1 by 2 x into minus cos 2x upon 2 plus sin 2x upon 4. On simplifying, we get gx equal to minus x upon x into cos 2x upon 4 plus sin 2x upon 8 and pi equal to ufx plus bgx. So putting the all values, then pi equal to cos x into in the bracket minus 1 upon 4 x square plus 1 upon 4 x sin 2x plus cos 2x upon 8 bracket closed plus sin x in the bracket minus x cos 2x upon 4 plus sin 2x upon 8 bracket closed. So pi equal to finally on simplifying minus 1 upon 4 x square cos x plus 1 upon 4 x into sin 2x into cos x into cos 2x upon 8 minus x into sin x into cos 2x upon 4 plus sin x into sin 2x upon 8. So on simplifying further, pi equal to minus 1 upon 4 x square cos x plus x upon 4 in the bracket 2 cos square x sin x plus sin x and into 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1 upon 8 in the bracket cos x into cos 2x plus sin x into sin 2x. And now pi equal to minus 1 upon 4 x square cos x plus x upon 4 sin x plus 1 upon 8 cos x in the bracket cos x into 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x into cos x bracket close. So finally pi becomes pi equal to minus 1 upon 4 x square cos x plus x upon 4 sin x plus 1 by 8 cos x. So general solution is y equal to cf plus pi. So pi equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus x upon x square upon 4 cos x plus x upon 4 sin x plus 1 upon 8 cos x. Thank you.